Get ready for a hidden gem in the heart of Boston that's about to redefine your city living experience. Introducing 85 Park Drive Student Accommodation. Nestled in the serene Park Drive neighborhood, this property boasts a variety of fully furnished studios and 2 or 3 bedroom split apartments. Each room is thoughtfully equipped with a cozy bed adorned with quality linens, a bedside cabinet, a dedicated workspace, and ample storage within the dresser. Indulge in refreshing showers and clean, modern bathrooms before heading to the fully equipped kitchen. Here, you'll find a stub-it-out microwave, sink, and kettle, complete with essential utensils, helping you adjust and survive in a new city. Bills? Don't sweat it, they're all covered. Even laundry is a breeze with the on-site laundry room, and the extra towels and storage space sweeten the pot. Talking about location, you're just 9 minutes away from Emmanuel College and 11 minutes from Northeastern University. 85 Park Drive offers the ultimate Boston student living experience. With Fenway Park close by, treat yourself to delicious meals at Sweet Cheeks Q and explore the lively nightlife at Every Bar, Big Night Live, and more. Boston's historical and modern charms are all set up just for you. Get ready for the adventure of a lifetime in a city filled with academic and cultural excellence. For more details on 85 Park Drive, visit amberstudent.com today.